Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another tutorial video of how you can fix WhatsApp message scene but with no blue tick. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Once you open it, go ahead and tap on that gear icon for settings. Now go ahead and select privacy. Now here in privacy, when you scroll down, you can see the option called read receipts. When you send a message to a person on WhatsApp and the message is delivered and that person is replying to you on WhatsApp but the blue tick is not shown, that is because that person has turned off these settings called read receipts. When you turn off read receipt settings, the blue tick won't be shown no matter how many messages has been seen or replied to you. So I hope you guys found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.